18, line up and wait. Traffic, Airbus A320, landing, crossing runway.
18.
American 3330, no need to acknowledge traffic holding in position, runway 18. Also, your number 1 to the field. Cessna A1 Papa, traffic holding in position, runway 18.
Tower 7 Kilo Charlie, would like to go northwest instead of southeast.
Cessna 7 Kilo Charlie, roger, continue holding in position.
Continue holding position, 7 Kilo Charlie.
The A1 Papa, base turn approved.
Base turn approved, A1 Papa.
Cessna 7 Kilo Charlie, make a right turn on course to the northwest, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Right turn on course, northwest, 18, clear for takeoff, 156. Charlie.
Cessna A1 Papa, departing traffic's on the roll, runway 18, clear, touch and go.
We got traffic, flight 18, clear touch and go, A1 Papa.
Cessna 4 November Whiskey, number 2, traffic, company Cessna, 2 mile final.
Number 2, traffic, flight 18, quarter move.
Cessna 4 November Whiskey, runway 18, clear, touch and go, number 2.
Clear touch and go, number 2, 18, quarter move. Okay, 4 North East, crashing, stop and go.
Cessna 4 November Whiskey, runway 18, cleared, stop and go, number 2.
18, clear, stop and go, 4
American